We sit and talk, I see your crying eyes turning red through the day. I share my mind with no censorship.
I'm listening to coffee house music, and it is almost 4 o'clock in the evening where I am, and I have not had any caffeine all day today, so I had to do it. But what I planned for this video is a little bit different than what I normally do, which is cleaning. We are going to relax and prepare food and cook. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. I will talk to you in a voiceover and let you know what I am doing. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
A teardrop's hanging from your upper lip, clinging on, afraid to fly, and I wait for the night when I will hold you tight.
The next thing I'm gonna do is make a cucumber, tomato, and red or purple onion salad. I saw somebody share this on Instagram, so I do not know who came up with this, but I'm going to chop it up and show y'all how to make it. I'm excited. I do not have the regular dressing. I just have regular vegetable oil, which should be fine. I'm going to use a very small amount and then some seasonings to go with it. I'm excited because I love tomato and cucumber salad. So this one's a little bit different because it's chopped up really fine, and I wish I knew the Instagram page that shared it, but we will do it now. And also, if you do know the Instagram page that shared this in a reel, credit them down below so other people can go find the original recipe. So once you cut the onions, the tomatoes, and the cucumber, you're gonna put them in a bowl, and then you're going to need, for what I'm doing anyways, this may not be right, but I'm using vegetable oil because that is all I have, and there's a hint of it, very small amount. Garlic, salt, onion powder, oregano, and then salt and pepper. That's it. And then I'm going to put it in the fridge and let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow when I eat lunch I'll be able to eat it. The longer you let it sit, the better off it's going to be.
When the evening falls across the land and your lovers reaching you the hand, don't be late, my dear, life won't wait, my dear, don't be late.
If you like vinegar style salads, which I do, I don't have a vinaigrette. So my tip for that, if you don't have a vinaigrette on hand, just use some pickle juice or apple cider vinegar to go in with your salad, which I think is actually what I'm supposed to be using, is olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Didn't have either one of those, so we're going to use vegetable oil and pickle juice. We do it a little, you know. Duct tape works for everything, right? Right?
Open minds in a cage, hungry hearts in a rage, glowing eyes in a daze, turning around in a hurry.
So for dinner tonight, I may try out that cucumber salad because I'm probably going to eat within an hour. But I'm going to do chicken strips in the oven with shake and bake seasoning as well. And then I'm going to put it on top of a salad so I can have a healthy fried, you know what I mean, not grilled, chicken salad for dinner. So I'm going to show you that now.
Hoping you will come along. I'm running as fast as I can, in a desperate need of a plan. It's the work.
Forgot to tell y'all, but these are the boneless, skinless chicken strips. So it makes it so much easier because you don't have to do any cutting.
Little man, I'm fading out from the story. Am I a passionate man? I'm fading out from the story. Am I a passionate man? Hanging on to the glory, day by day if I can.
I just took this out of the oven. I did 25 minutes on the dot at 375. Came out perfect. It's hard to see over there, but it is perfect. It is juicy, and as some people don't like that M word, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to make my salad real quick. And also, I think, what was I? Okay, so we have flies. So I covered my beans up, but I'm making this tomorrow. If you've never seen me do this, it's just a 15 bean soup packet, and then it comes with a seasoning kit right here. It's a ham flavor, and then I put chicken broth in the slow cooker, and then I cook it for like 6 hours on high. It comes out really good. This has been in the hour. This has been in the fridge for about an hour, I would say. So I'm just going to take a little spatula and test this out too. My salad. Okay. And if you're curious, what I have in here is the chicken, and I still have some left over that I can use tomorrow. I've got some of my fresh tomatoes from my garden. I've got some cranberries in here and almonds, and then this, and then I've also got a whole bunch of salad mix in the bottom, and I'm going to use ranch, but I want to test out this by itself so I can let y'all know if I like it or not. I was trying to get it without the lettuce. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. I'll be right back. Alright, don't shame me. I'm already in my nightgown. This is like the coziest nightgown I have, and I put some ranch on it. This looks so good. But I was saying, oh my gosh, and then I had to turn off the camera. This cucumber salad tastes like the salad you get at Olive Garden that has, it's the one that it comes with. And normally I think it's like a Caesar salad, but it tastes like that. And I love the salads that they give you at Olive Garden. So if you like Olive Garden salad but you don't have an Olive Garden anywhere near you, make it at home. Oh my goodness. And now I'm thinking like, wow, if I had the actual Caesar dressing, they would just like top it off for me. But I hope y'all enjoy this video, and do me a huge favor, comment down below if you like videos like this where I'm just cooking and showing you meals, because I will do more of them. I'm doing videos very frequently, and I don't think y'all want to see a clean with me every single day. So I'm trying to find other things I can do that involve homemaking that the majority of you will still like. So let me know if you like this video. I will see you back here tomorrow for another one.
I went down to the city with a suitcase in my hand.